Hi guys, so we're just gonna jump into this package you guys see in front of me. Here I received a package from Tobaglo Cosmetics. Some of you all may be familiar with the name, some of you all may not. So for those of you who may not, Tobaglo Cosmetics is a brand, right? And it's a brand that deals with makeup and beauty. So listen to me, I received this package a couple days ago and I was determined. I was tempted, but I was determined not to open it until now. So this is gonna be like an unboxing, first impressions, etc., from Tobaglo Cosmetics. Let's get into it. So let me open this. I think I'm holding it upside down. Okay, stuff is like, oh my god, it's so overflowing. It's like bursting out right now. I really want to show everything. It says here, beauty deserves the capture, and I believe this is their motto. This is like their slogan, beauty deserves the capture. So let me see. Oh, okay. All right, okay, listen to me. Sis is, as you inside, it's like I'm meeting this girl in person already. Hey girl, what's up? What's happening? This is her right here. That is the CEO and founder. In the story of Tobaglo Cosmetics, it says here, a mispronunciation becomes the unforgettable name of a dynamic brand. Tobaglo Cosmetics was birthed in the kitchen of my then two-bedroom apartment. Inspired by life on the luxurious island of Tobago, this name evolved after several attempts and one clever mispronunciation later. Tobaglo was fully created. Our creative force, founder and CEO Donnell Smith, continues to strive for excellence in the delivery of quality, safe and inexpensive cosmetics for every beauty lover, professional or novice. So whether you're a pro or not, this caters to you. You'll see this. Oh my god, so we have some cards here. I must reveal also that I am one of their ambassadors, and so I have a discount code for you guys where you will get 5% off. I believe that is what it has here, right? So it's called YAGLO, okay? YAGLO 5 is my code. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see whenever you want to order. Y'all can just use my code and get some money off. Cha-ching, you know, we like things. And listen, these products are inexpensive and you get a discount code. Get into it. You can't go wrong, hunty. And we have another card where I see like their blushes and their cocoa palette on it as well. I even have a package right here. It says the Tobaglo Cocoa Tea. It gives a soft touch and it's used damp for best results. Oh, so I believe that this is a beauty sponge. Duh. And it's the color of cocoa. Oh my goodness, I love this. It feels really good. I could imagine when it's damp, it'll feel super soft if it's already soft as is. I am here for this. Listen to me. I can't wait to use it, okay? I got a bunch of stuff here. We have a pressed highlight. Take a drive to the eastern part of Tobago and experience a cocoa touch, creamy, radiant glow. Let's open this up. Listen to me, and the packaging not feeling cheap at all. Hello. This is for my chocolate sisters. All right. Moving on. It says Windward Breeze. And this one, Uzuri Cocoa Edition, says cocoa. So it's a big and bold, one product, many purposes for cheeks and eyes. And we love to improvise over here. Get in on this color, you guys. I really love this color. It's gorgeous. And they come with mirrors as well. This next one is the Tobaglo Estate Azuri Cocoa Edition. This one is called GP. This one is also big and bold and can be used for cheeks as well as eyes. Look at this. This is super, super gorgeous. These colors. I can't wait to try it on clients. I mean, I can't wait to try it on me first. But I also can't wait to try it on clients. For real, for real. Next up, we have some lipsticks. Tobaglo Estate Cocoa Edition. I'm seeing here Sun Kissed. It's a gloss. Right up my alley. Because all I know, I've said it in my... I love this color. Y'all know I said this in my recent YouTube video that I've been feeling gloss lately. I needed to swatch this like immediately. Look at this color, and I can already smell the fragrance. This color, this could work on any skin tone. It smells so good. I still really like this.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm upset.
Okay, next one. This is a liquid velvet lipstick. Oh my god. Yes. This is a really gorgeous nude. This is a really gorgeous nude. Oh my goodness. This one is called Well, look how I'm about to get entangled with this. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. Okay, so this next one is a lip liner. And this one is called Necessary. Did I mention that the lip gloss is called Glow? Glow My Baby. It's a chocolate brown lip pencil. Let me just swatch it right here. And this one is called Necessary. Listen to me. I think this will be necessary for lining my lips, my eyes, my brows, wherever I feel to put it, okay? You'll see a Necessary. Ooh, child, oh my god. And I ain't even done. Huge palette, you guys. It's a huge palette. This one says Tobaglo Estate Cocoa Edition Eyeshadow Palette. Did you know that cocoa was one of the major crops grown throughout Tobago? Did you know that? This is a fun fact edition as well, okay? The cocoa beans won the island fame and allows plantations such as Roxborough Estate to concentrate on the production of cocoa as a viable cash crop. You guys, get in on this palette. I'm gonna use this palette tomorrow. Like, listen to me. I'm gonna use this palette tomorrow. You see Smack? This gorgeous peachy pink color. I love it. East Side would make a perfect transition shade. Tea, Pod, Cocoa. I love this bright color for Argyle. Listen, Sun-Kissed. I really need to do a look with this palette, like real soon. I can't stick. She made this palette as well as the blushes and highlighter travel friendly. I mean, I understand the country going back and lockdown again, but you know, when we could go back out and sing, and we have a little staycation, and we go to Tobago, etc. Yeah, you can walk with this. Donnell, I absolutely love this, and the Tobaglo Cosmetics team, I am in love with my packaging. I am in love with the products. I cannot wait to try them. Thank you for making me a part of your team. And once again, when you're ordering, make sure to use my discount code YAGLOW. Let me make sure I have it right. YAGLOW5. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which one of these products that you've seen here you are interested in using or trying. Comment and tell me. I really want to know, what are you excited to see me use, and which one of these cosmetic products that you're willing to source. I must mention that these products are sold right at Super Farm, so you know, go to your nearest Super Farm and check out Tobaglo Cosmetics. All right, yeah, glow, yeah, no, for sure. Oh. Bye. Comment and let me know, okay? Thank you.